Hello Internet, welcome back to Varun. In today's video, I'll show you how to replace the stabilizer link rod on a Maruti Swift, step by step. If you're hearing knocking or clunking noises from the front suspension, especially on bad roads or speed breakers, there's a high chance your link rod is worn out. A bad link rod can affect handling, steering stability, and ride comfort, so it's important to replace it on time. The good news is, replacing a link rod is simple, affordable, and can be done at home with basic tools. First, park the car on a flat surface and engage the handbrake. Loosen the wheel nuts slightly. Then jack up the car and place it on jack stands for safety. Never work under a car supported only by a jack. Remove the wheel completely to access the stabilizer link rod. You will find the link rod connecting the anti-roll bar to the shock absorber. Spray penetrating oil on the top and bottom nuts and wait a few minutes. Hold the link rod stud with an Allen key to prevent it from rotating. Use a 14 mm socket or ring spanner to loosen the top nut first. Then loosen the bottom nut and remove the old link rod. Compare the old and new link rod to ensure the length and mounting points match. Install the new link rod in the same orientation. Tighten the top nut, make sure the rubber boots are not twisted or damaged. Tighten the bottom nut, make sure the rubber boots are not twisted or damaged. Tighten the nuts to the recommended torque, usually around 40 to 55 Newton meters for most Maruti Swift models. Do not over-tighten as it can damage the bushings. Reinstall the wheel and tighten the wheel nuts by hand. Lower the car and torque the wheel nuts properly in a star pattern. Take the car for a short test drive and listen for any knocking or abnormal noise. If everything feels smooth, your stabilizer link rod replacement is complete. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Varun for more car repair tips, DIY tutorials, and modifications. Comment below if you have any questions, and I'll reply. See you in the next video.